welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here, and thank you so much for stopping by. It is Tuesday, and so that means it is Twinchy Tuesday, and this is a collaboration that is hosted by Jen from Sassy Southern NC Girl, and I've done a few of these, and you might wonder why you're looking at this mess, and it'll make sense in a minute, I promise. So when I paint, oftentimes when I'm painting, if I have my paintbrush and it's full of paint, I might just sort of clean it off on this paper that I have underneath. I have another one here that's starting. I actually have a bunch. I've been saving them here, all my papers and I'm saving them because I know that at some point I'm going to be able to do something with them. So for now, for today, I'm going to cut this one up into a twinchy, but I was on YouTube last night and there is an artist in North Carolina. She is in Bryson City, North Carolina. Her name is Ashley Hacksaw. And what she does, she's an incredible artist. She's living my dream life, I have to tell you. She has her own art store and everything. And she takes her drop cloths. I don't think this is called a drop cloth, whatever it's called. Jotting paper. And she takes pieces and then she makes abstract art. And as I was watching her last night, I was like, oh, that's a twinchy. Ashley, and I'm shouting at the TV, at the screen, it's a twinchy. So I have identified a few little places that I'm going to use as twinchy abstract art. This is my first one. Let me just cut out. I'm going to cut a little bigger than the twinchy itself because I'm going to show you now what I'm going to do with it. I just feel like this is a great way to use up these papers. Excuse me. So I'm going to go onto the back. So what I also did, I took some cardstock from Dollar Tree and I cut myself 4-inch by 4-inch little squares and then a 2-inch by 2-inch hole. So this is what came out, which is my twinchy size. I'm going to get my glue out. And I'm going to just take this little piece of my I'm just going to call it jotting paper because I honestly don't know what else to call it. And just put it down like so. And then maybe I should take some of this pencil marks off here because I think you're going to see it. Oh, is it making it? Oh, no. Okay, that kind of works. Maybe the pencil mark wasn't my smartest idea. That's okay. Crash bang. I'm just going to go with it, guys. And now, take a little bit of, I think I should take some Eileen's glue because I think it'll work better. Will it work better? I went and wrote the date and my artist's signature there, and then I was going to do that in the front and I changed my mind. I don't think I need that. I'm not selling these, but I do think these will make really nice gifts. Stocking stuffers, birthday gifts, teachers' gifts, especially if they know that you're an artist or that you do a lot of art. So let's go in. Like that. Okay, works. Yes. Oh, I'm sticking. Sticking. Okay, maybe Eileen's wasn't my... That's okay. It'll work. It's fine. So now I'm going to take a frame. And I just have one of these little, I don't know how much, 5-inch, 6-inch? What is that? These are roughly 5 by 5 frames. but it has a 4x4 inside. And so I'm going to put this in here. And then the little paper that came with it, I'll use that as the backing. And then put the backing of this back in, close it up. Now, I haven't put one in one of the frames before, so we're going to do a reveal together. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'll have to clean it up. I'm going to, nope. Let me open it up quickly. I see I've got some funny stuff going on over here. What is this? Oh, it's on the lens. Ah, shoot. Okay, let me see if I can. Yep, I got it off. It's good. Okay, we're good. Crisis averted, guys. There was a little spot of dirt, but it was on the glass. So I bought these. You could pick up frames like this at the Dollar Tree, but I bought these online. Oh, man, I love that. Love it so much. So there's my little piece of abstract art. I will have to change out my little picture frame here because I see that I overcut in sections, but that's okay. For today's purposes, just to show you guys what this looks like, let's do another one. So I did identify another one. Let me just go and find it here. And I actually have 4. So maybe I should just cut them all out. But this is like inchy, listen to me. This is like twinchy abstract art. And again, I've just cut it a little bit bigger so that I can glue it. Let's do a little bit of the eyelines again. Oh, no, wait, I'm supposed to put the twinchy on the back with my stick glue over here. like so. And then we put a little bit of the eyelines over here. Like so. Dirt easy, guys, seriously. Don't so Ashley was saying don't ever throw all your bits and pieces out, and this is what she was referring to. I don't want this to stick on the paper. Let me get a little piece of just like that. Where's my eraser again? Eraser, where'd you go? Oh, it fell on the floor. Found him. Just take out any of my pencil marks. Don't think I need pencil marks next time. Well, no, I suppose I do, and they're easy enough to erase. So, all right, so I've got my pencil marks are out, my glue away. Oh man, this one is not neat, eh? Right, let me see if I can get more of these marks out. I definitely think I'm going to have to replace, but that's okay. I have tons of these drop cloth paint palette thingamabobbies, so I can do I can make more. Oops. See if I can make sure there's nothing on there. Get this in here, and where's my little piece of paper? Here's my little piece of paper, and my backing goes in there. Is that the right way around? Does it matter? I don't. Abstract art, don't think it really matters, guys. What have I done? And there we have another one. So now we have 2. Look at that. Inchy art. Okay, guys, I did 4 of these because I don't know why, because I just did. But here they are. Oh, come here. So I'll bring them up a little closer and you can see. I just think it's a great way to use up any of your painted papers. If you do a lot of painting, I paint almost every day. And I said inchies, guys. I don't know why I say inchies. It's twinchies. My brain is backfiring again. Clearly 1 cup of coffee this morning wasn't enough. But twinchies, that's what I meant. So yeah, so there is my one. I love these because they are, it doesn't really matter which way you present them on the wall. They're going to be beautiful. And then this one I think might actually be my favorite. There's a simplicity to it, I suppose, that I like. And then this one, oh man, I don't know which one to choose. This one's favorite too. You know, I'm not supposed to play favorites, but they're all nice. I like them all. Okay, well, there is my Twinchy Tuesday for today. And I hope I helped you guys see what you can do with your droplet rags, that one, if you have them, because it's a lot of fun. Okay, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye.